Abdullah's here today. Hip hip, hip hip, hooray! I'm so glad Iman is here today. I'm so glad Marisha's here today. I'm so glad Aslan is here today. Hip hip, hip hip, hooray! I'm so glad Ailana's here today. I'm so glad Tamim is here today. I'm so glad Fatma is here today. Hip hip, hip hip, hooray! Videos bhi bana lena. I'm so glad Adil is here today. I'm so glad Rania is here today. I'm so glad Arham is here today. Hip hip, hip hip, hooray! How's the weather? How's the weather? Is it raining?
Sunny!
Oh, it's a sunny day! And how do you know it's a sunny day? Because Mr. Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Mr. Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind the trees. These little children are asking you, please come out so we can play with you. Mr. Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind the trees.
Sunny!
What is the day today? Is it Sunday?
Yeah.
Is it Sunday? We don't go to school on Sunday. It's not Sunday. Is it Monday? No, it's not Monday. So let's sing the week of the day song. Let's sing it. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Oh my darling, oh my darling, oh my darling, what's the day? It is? No. It's Thursday! Today is Thursday, today is Thursday. We all know that it will stay all day. Apple, ball, caterpillar. Sit down. Dog. Elephant. Frog. Goat. Horse. There's one more thing that begins with her. Helicopter. Igloo. Jug. Kite. Lion. Mouse. Nose. Octopus. Octopus. Popcorn. Me too. Queen. Rabbit. Snake. One, two. Alina, eyes here, beta. 3, 4. Eyes on me. 5, 6. Abdullah, which number is this? 6. 7. 8. And 9. Okay, it's still. What is this? Yes, let's do the book. It's the front page of the book. What is this? Front of the book. Now, let's open the book, okay? Sit down, Abdullah. इधर हो चुके बच्चे ताकि सबको नजर आए. Sit here, Abdullah. All right. Arthur's dream boat. One night, Arthur had a dream. It was amazing. He had a dream and it was amazing. Wow, said Arthur to his dog. Last night I had a dream. It was amazing. Arthur said to his brother, last night I dreamt about a pink and green boat with a strippy mast. Chippity-tap, chippity-tap, chippity-tap. Look what he's doing. He is doing chippity-tap. He's standing on his lap. Okay, Mom. Arthur was last night I dreamt about a boat. It was pink and green. And it was a stripy mast and lovely spotty sails. He shouted Arthur to his sister. Last night I dreamt about a boat. It was pink and green with a strippy mist and spotty sails and it had a golden flag. Have you ever seen a boat? Then Arthur cried, Dad! Last night I had a dream. It was about a pink and green boat with a sturdy mast, lovely spotty sails, a golden flag and a beautiful figurehead. Listen to me, Dad. I'm trying to tell you something. He was telling his dad about the dream he had. He was so excited about the dream he had. Look. So what did he see in the dream? He saw a boat. This is the boat. And on the boat, there was pink and green stripes. What was on the boat? Pink and green stripes. Iski picture dena bahut cute picture hai. And he saw a dream, and in his dream he saw a boat which had green and the green. It has green and white stripes. Can you see, Alana? And look.
I see it.
Yeah, you see it? Yes. Have you ever sat on a boat? Let's sit on a boat. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is like a dream. Let's do it again. Row, let's make a boat. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is like a dream.
I'm sleeping.
You want to sleep? You're tired? Shahab, look here. Happy? Start. Happy? Happy ho jana? Ho do. Happy? Start. Happy. Start. Happy. Start. Up and down. Up and down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Slow. Fast. Slow. day, day. Night, 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 night. Day, 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 day. Night, 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 night. Open, shut. Open, shut. Open, 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 open. Shut, 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 shut. Okay, Varisha, who's your friend? Who's your friend? Is Alina your friend? Alina is your friend. Abir, who's your friend? Azan is your friend? Azan, who is your friend? Who's your friend? Is Ahil your friend? He is your friend. Ahil, who's your friend? Who's your friend? Nobody. Okay, let's become friends. Yay! Me and Ahil are friends now. Fatma, who's your friend? Rani is your friend? Oh, and Rani, who's your friend? Huria is not here today. We miss her. Your friend is Varisha? Shahab, who's your friend? Who's your friend? Varisha is your friend? Or Alina is your friend? Azlan and Fatma, who's your friend? Okay, Alina, who's your friend? Fatma is your friend. And I'm everybody's friend. Yes? And what's the name of your school? Yay! Good job! You all know the name of your school. Yes? Who gave this card to you? What's the name of your teacher? Miss Maruf. And what's the name of your other teacher? There are two teachers. One is Miss Maruf and the other one is Miss Faria. Okay? Do you love your teachers? Do you like your teachers? Aya Baji, Reena Baji, you all love me.